see here, there are 3 different types of drill bits. Now the drill bit that you'll be needing for your projects is a wood drill bit. Drill bits are made specifically with their function in mind. So this is a metal drill bit. It can be used for universal uses, so you can use it for most things. But it's been designed with a little point on top to stop the drill bit from spinning and moving around as it's trying to drill. It pinpoints where it wants to be drilled in the piece of metal, and it digs deeper and deeper and deeper. The wood drill bit works very similarly to the metal drill bit in the fact that it's got a point in the centre which can allow it to guide the drill bit perfectly on the spot without travelling along the material, and it goes straight through. So this is really good for pinpoint accuracy. When you've marked up a cross on a piece of wood, you can get that point directly in the middle of the cross, so you can accurately drill your hole. This is a masonry drill bit which is specifically used for brick. You won't be able to very easily drill decent, accurate, straight holes in a piece of wood with these, so you're best to avoid these. You can identify these with their winged bit on the tip of the drill bit. So, like I say, it is a wood drill bit that you will be needing. These do have the best results. If you enjoyed the video and you'd like to learn more, please subscribe below to stay in touch so you can keep up to date with all our latest videos.